Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this simple eye look. So if you like what you see and you want to learn how to do it, then stay tuned. Also, if you would like to follow me on my other social medias, they are linked down below in the description box. If the video seems a little dark, I forgot to turn on my ring light before I started. I have my other lights going. I don't know how I forgot to turn on my ring light. It's staring me right in the face. So I'm gonna edit the best I can so it doesn't look dark. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so I'm gonna do kind of a natural but shimmery makeup look. So I'm gonna start out with the NYX Lid Lingerie palette. I'm actually gonna take some of this shade down here, a kind of peachish, pinkish shade. And I do already have my foundation and brows done and my eyelids primed. Then I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of this shade right here using the same brush, and I'm just gonna focus that on the outer corner and then just blend that in because I want the biggest deposit of color to be on the outside of the crease. Then for my lid, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Yogurt. It is a shimmery pink. And I'm just gonna take that all across the lid. Go in with some of the Wet n Wild Loose Pigments in the shade Pegasus Flutter. And then I like to just tap some of this in the lid. It's probably the easiest way to get it out. And then I'm gonna take a brush and just pick a little bit of that up and just dab it on the lid, brush it across the lid in little strokes. And without picking up any more product, if you got any of that in your crease, take the blending brush that you were using and just kind of take it over that just to make sure none of that shimmery pink is in your crease area. Then I'm gonna go in with a clean brush and I'm gonna pick up some of this cream shade right here and just use a little bit of that up here by the brow bone. And then I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Geek Obsidian Full Spectrum Eyeliner and just line my bottom waterline. And then I'm gonna add some glue to my lashes. These are Ardell lashes that I have used before. And I am using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Then while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Ultra Pearl Mania Loose Pigment in the shade Penny. And I also tap this into the lid because it is very, very messy. It does not take very much at all. And I'm gonna use an angled brush and just pick some of that up and take it right along the waterline here. I'm gonna go in with my COVERGIRL Total Tease mascara. And that little bit of fallout, we're gonna get that just a second. It doesn't really matter what mascara I use for this because I am gonna put falsies on. So if this is not your favorite mascara, that's okay. gonna go in again with the NYX pencil in Yogurt, and I'm just going to take this on my inner corner of my eye here, but I'm not putting any product there yet besides the pencil. And then for highlighter today, I am using the new Physicians Formula Butter Highlighters. I've been wanting to try these so bad, and I picked this up last night, so you know I had to try it today. Then I'm gonna take a brush and pick a little bit of that up. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm just gonna dab that on the inner corner on top of that NYX pencil. Oh, and it smells like the bronzer and the blush. Then for contour, I'm gonna use my ANASTASIA contour kit. Then I'm gonna go over my contour with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And then to contour my nose, I'm gonna go back into the ANASTASIA palette. Blush, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Blush. And this is in the shade Plum Rose. And I'm also taking this some right here just for a little sun-kissed effect. Then for highlighter, I'm going in with that Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. This is a cream to powder highlight. And then I am gonna take my finger with a broken nail, just kind of blend that out a little bit. And I am getting my nails fixed tomorrow. And then I'm gonna take some of this on my finger and just go down my nose here. And then on my Cupid's bow. I am gonna take a little brush and pick up some of that highlighter and just put it right up here by the brow bone. I wasn't going to, but I feel like it just needs a little glow. Then for lips, I'm gonna first use the Agave lip treatment mask from Bite Beauty. Then I'm gonna go in with the lipstick from NYX. It is the Pinup Pout in the shade Darling. Then over top of that, I'm gonna take the Butter London Glazen Lip Glaze in Fairy Dust. And then I'm gonna take my towel on this finger. Blend that in. I'm gonna use the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray and set my face. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you learned something awesome today. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also, let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments below. Go do something nice for someone else. Enjoy your summer, and I will see you in the next video.